Hello LBCC Vikings. This video is intended to support you in both familiarizing yourself with what Viking Portal is, but also how to successfully access it and use it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, what is Viking Portal? Well, Viking Portal is LBCC's single sign-on platform where you can access many of the different technologies and applications available to you at LBCC, things such as Canvas, Office 365, your student Viking system, and a lot more. This is also the location where you can create your single sign-on password for LBCC, as well as change your password or just simply reset it if you have forgotten your password. All right, let's move to the next step of learning how to use Viking Portal. You can locate your Viking Portal in a few different ways. From the main LBCC website, you can go to Quick Links and find Viking Portal, or you can find Viking Portal on the top left-hand side, which is the route that we will take. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do on this page is learn how to both create a new password if you're a new student, or also reset a password just in case you have forgotten your password. Maybe you're a returning student or it's been a little while since you've logged in. So the first thing we're going to do is type in our Viking ID number. And then we're going to say new or forgotten password. Upon clicking on that, you will see that the system is asking you to type in an OTP, which is a one-time passcode. This passcode in this example has been emailed to me. Once I go into my email to retrieve it, I can type it here and click continue. But let's say I either do not have access to that email at this time, or maybe the OTP has not been received yet. The other option that you have after waiting 20 to 30 seconds for it to be delivered is to click on Problems with OTP. If you're finding that the default way that was there for you to access your OTP is not working, you can also choose to have it sent to you as a text message or as a phone call with the phone number that you have on file. So you have that option. You could choose those hyperlinks if you want to go that route. If you're having any kind of problems accessing your OTP in both available options, you're also welcome to call our Student Technology Help Desk team. And upon working with you and checking your identity, we will be happy to provide you with your OTP so that we could get you into Viking Portal. Okay, back to our example. So I'm going to add our one-time passcode here. This is unique to this account for a very short period of time. You will have your own ID that will be available to you for a short period of time in order to get into our system. And if I click continue, you'll see now it's asking me to go ahead and create a password. Please be aware of our password complexity rules. Your new password must satisfy the following rules. Must be at least 16 characters long, must have at least one uppercase character, must have at least one numeric character. Now this might seem overwhelming to you, like 16 characters is a pretty long passcode. However, it is important to keep in mind safe computing and cybersecurity. You have a lot of confidential data inside of your Viking Portal. So with that, a tip that we recommend is that you create what is called a passphrase. A passphrase is a sentence or a phrase that's going to be easy for you to remember, but not easily guessable on the outside world. So we would say reframing from popular song lyrics or quotes, just something that's going to be easier for you to remember but is not entirely popular. Once you have submitted your 16 character password, you would then click continue, and then you would be done. You'd be able to log in Viking Portal to access the different applications or just take note of your passphrase to use in going forward. The final step to show you is how to change your password. This is if you want to update your current password, or maybe you're a little concerned that your account was compromised in some way. It's always a good idea to continually change your password over time. So what you'll do is you'll type in your Viking ID number, and then you'll click on the button that says Change Password. On this screen, you're going to be asked to type in your current password. Upon doing that, you'll click Continue. And then once again, you'll be asked to enter a one-time passcode. And again, this is for your security to make sure this is in fact you who is trying to update your password. You will perform the same steps that you did with the new password or the forgotten password. You can go to your email account to obtain your OTP, or you can say problems with OTP and choose to have a phone call or a text message. You're also welcome to contact the Student Technology Help Desk for support in obtaining your one-time passcode. For questions or more support related to your Viking Portal account or any other LBCC technology, feel free to reach out to your Student Technology Help Desk team. Our website can be found under Resources, or you can go straight to our address. Our phone number, email address, and ability to chat with our team is located here, along with our technology support guides and videos. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.